Natural and home remedies for bedwetting. Bedwetting is called as nocturnal enuresis in medical sciences. It is a condition when a person, especially a kid, passes out urine unconsciously while sleeping. It is one of the most common urologic complaints in kids and is a major concern for pediatrics. But bedwetting is a condition that can be found not only amongst kids, but also among people of any age. If your kid continues to wet her bed even after attaining the age of more than 7 years, it's important to know the possible cause and get rid of this problem. Symptoms: sudden urge to urinate, pain while passing urine, constipation, change in the urine color, increase in thirst, snoring, rashes on the genital area. Causes: comparatively smaller bladder, slow development of nerves that control bladder and instruct it to pass urine, imbalance of hormones, stress, infection of urinary tract, acute constipation, sleep apnea, diabetes, use of diuretics, excessive production of urine. Home remedies for bedwetting. Cinnamon. Cinnamon powder is one of the most effective ways that can make your child stop wetting the bed at night. Make your child chew cinnamon bark once in a day. But, if he doesn't want to chew it, then, powder the cinnamon bark and mix some sugar in it. Sprinkle the mix over the bread toast and serve it to your child during the breakfast. Indian gooseberries. Indian gooseberries, popularly known as amla, are extremely helpful in treating the problem of bedwetting in your child. Crush gooseberries and pour some honey over them and sprinkle a pinch of turmeric. Serve it in breakfast to your child. You can also add black pepper powder to the pulp of gooseberries and give it to your child every night before he heads to bed. Olive oil. Olive oil is yet another effective and relieving home remedy to treat bedwetting. Heat some olive oil and gently rub it on the lower abdomen of your child, massaging gently over and around the lower abdomen. The heating effect will restrain the urination by your child in bed, during the night. Cranberries. Cranberries are really blissful for various ailments of the body, including kidney infections and bedwetting. Although, it is said that you should not give any liquids to your kid before he or she goes to sleep, but cranberry juice can be given as it will solve the problem by treating it effectively. Walnuts and raisins. Children enjoy eating dry fruits and nuts as a snack. Give a handful of walnuts and raisins to your child before he or she is heading to sleep and continue to do so for a few months until you see some positive results. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener, and it doesn't add any fat to the body. You can give a tablespoon of honey to your child every night. You can even put a tablespoon of honey in her glass of milk, instead of sugar, to cure the ailment. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar regulates the acid levels in the stomach and hence, reduces the urge to urinate frequently. Simply, put some apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and make your child consume that water at least 3 times a day. Mustard. Mustard and its seeds are really beneficial in treating the problem of bedwetting. Stir some mustard seeds in a cup of warm milk and serve it to your child an hour before he or she heads to sleep. Jaggery. Your child won't wet the bed if her body remains warm, and jaggery is one such things that keep the body of your child warm from inside. Give your child a piece of jaggery to eat post meals. Else, mix black sesame seeds, jaggery and celery seeds in equal amounts. Give 1 teaspoon of this mixture to your child in the morning, followed with a cup of milk. Practice it for 1-2 months. This remedy will cure the problem of bedwetting in your child. Fennel seeds. Fennel is another important and efficacious remedy against the problem of bedwetting. Take a glass of warm milk and add a teaspoon of fennel to it, followed with 2 tablespoons sugar syrup. Give it to your child every day for beneficial results. Banana. Feed your kid 2-3 bananas each day. It will help you to treat the problem of bedwetting in your child. Bladder exercise. Apart from trying all the above-mentioned home remedies, you can make your child exercise to make his bladder stronger and better. Offer him lots of liquids throughout the day, and when he feels the urge to urinate, tell him to control his urine for as long as possible, as this is going to make his bladder stronger and will cure the problem, gradually. Homeopathic remedies for bedwetting. Here is the list of homeopathic remedies to curb the problem of bedwetting. Causticum. When the condition becomes moderate during summers but worsens in winters, this remedy is recommended. Belladonna. This medication is useful for kids having a fair complexion, blue eyes, thin hair, and those who feel restlessness in sleeping and involuntary urination. Rustox. When there is a constant dribbling of urine due to weak bladder, this remedy is used. Creosotum. This one is recommended when a person urinates while having a dream of urination. Many patients have been cured by this homeopathic remedy. Borax. When a child urinates quite frequently at night due to fear, this remedy is prescribed. Argentum nitricum. When a person urinates due to restlessness or nervousness, this one is helpful. Other effective homeopathic remedies for bedwetting are calcarea carb, meteorinum, sepia, sulfur, ferrum met, silica, etc. Preventive measures. The below given preventive measures will help your child to stop wetting the bed. Avoid giving fluid to your child during the night, especially before bedtime. Make it a habit of your child to go to the bathroom before sleeping. Reward your child or appreciate him, her with something for being dry whole night. Ask your kid after an interval of time if he or she wants to go to the bathroom for passing the urine.